Swimming is one of the most popular and thrilling sports at the Olympic Games. It features a variety of events that test the speed, technique, and endurance of the world's best swimmers. Each swimmer competes in their own lane. Lanes are separated by lane lines. These keep swimmers from interfering with each other. During the race, swimmers touch a special pad called the touch pad at the end of each lane to stop the timer and record their time. When they reach the end of the pool and need to change direction, they perform a turn. The race begins with a start, where swimmers dive into the water as soon as they hear the signal. Olympic swimming events are divided into several categories, based on stroke and distance. There are 4 main strokes used in competitive swimming: freestyle, backstroke, breaststroke, and butterfly. Freestyle is the fastest stroke. Swimmers move their arms over their heads in a windmill motion while kicking their legs up and down. Freestyle races are held over 50 meters, 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters, 800 meters for women, and 1,500 meters for men. Backstroke involves swimmers lying on their backs, moving their arms in a circular motion, and kicking their legs. In backstroke, races are held over 100 meters and 200 meters. In breaststroke, swimmers move their arms in a half circle in front of them and kick their legs like a frog. Breaststroke races are also held over 100 meters and 200 meters. Butterfly is a challenging stroke where swimmers move both arms together over their heads and kick their legs together like a dolphin. Butterfly races are held over 100 meters and 200 meters. The individual medley combines all 4 strokes in one race, with events held over 200 meters and 400 meters. There are also relay events, which include freestyle relays of 4 by 100 meters and 4 by 200 meters, as well as medley relays of 4 by 100 meters. In relay events, each team is composed of 4 swimmers. Each swimmer completes a portion of the race before the next team member dives into the pool to continue. Swimming competitions at the Olympics follow a structured format to determine the winners. The process begins with heats, where swimmers compete in preliminary rounds to qualify for the semifinals or finals. The fastest swimmers from the heats advance to the semifinals. For certain events, the fastest swimmers from the semifinals then compete in the final race to determine the medalists. Each race is timed, and the swimmers compete in separate lanes to ensure fairness. Swimming has seen many world records broken at the Olympics, with several swimmers becoming legends in the sport. Michael Phelps is the most decorated Olympian of all time, with 23 gold medals. He holds multiple world records in butterfly and individual medley events. Katieledecky is known for her dominance in freestyle events, holding world records in the 400 meters, 800 meters, and 1,500 meters freestyle. Another rising star is caelebdressel, who has set world records in the 100 meters butterfly and is a key figure in relay teams. Olympic swimming history is rich with memorable moments and remarkable achievements. One of the most notable is Michael Phelps' performance at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. He won 8 gold medals, setting a new record for the most golds won at a single Olympics. Another interesting moment was at the 1972 Munich Olympics. Mark Spitz won 7 gold medals, each with a world record, a feat that stood until Phelps broke it in 2008. Additionally, the 2008 Olympics saw the introduction of high-tech swimsuits, which contributed to a surge in world records. These suits were later banned to ensure fair competition. As we look forward to the Paris 2024 Olympics, there are several top male and female swimmers expected to make a splash. Caelebdressel from the USA is known for his incredible speed and versatility. He is expected to dominate the sprint freestyle and butterfly events, having set world records in the 100 meters butterfly. Another top male swimmer is adampeaty from Great Britain. Peaty is the world record holder in the 100 meters breaststroke. He is renowned for his unparalleled power and technique in breaststroke events. Christoph Milak from Hungary is a specialist in the butterfly stroke. He holds the world record in the 200 meters butterfly and is expected to continue his dominance in this event. Katieledecky from the USA is a legend in the distance freestyle events. She holds world records in the 400 meters, 800 meters, and 1,500 meters freestyle. She will be looking to add more gold medals to her collection in Paris. Emmamckeon from Australia is a versatile swimmer who excelled at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. She competes in both freestyle and butterfly events and is expected to be a key contender. Additionally, Siobhanhaughey from Hong Kong has made a name for herself with her incredible speed in freestyle events. She has consistently performed well on the international stage and is poised to make a significant impact in Paris, particularly in the 100 meters and 200 meters freestyle. Swimming at the Olympics is a thrilling showcase of speed, strength, and skill. With a variety of events and a rich history of memorable moments, it continues to be a highlight of the Games. As we approach the Paris 2024 Olympics, the excitement builds to see who will make history in the pool. Whether you are a long-time fan or new to the sport, the Olympic swimming competitions are sure to provide unforgettable moments.
We're wrapping up today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. Your support means a lot. See you in the next episode.